Right. Hi, everybody. Can you see me on the screen, or is it too low? Does it need to go up? It needs to go up. Sir, we have a height difference here.
Okay.
You guys both?
Yeah. Height difference is crazy.
Okay. Hi, everybody. It's Ryan with NP Dodge, and I'm here with Dakota, with Dakota's mobile pet grooming service, right?
Nail trimming service.
Nail trimming service, sorry. And we're just here to talk a little bit about the client appreciation event we have coming up on July 12th out at our NP Dodge office on 204th Street, south of Center. And you're going to be there. It's going to be a dog party. So we have treats for the dogs, tennis balls, frisbees, all sorts of fun stuff. And you're going to be there as well, yes, offering a nail trim,
yes,
right?
free nail trims.
Okay. Can you tell us a little bit of what other services you offer?
We offer nail trimming, ear cleaning, teeth cleaning, paw hair trims, sanitary trims, gland expression, as well as bath and blowouts and full grooming.
Okay. And those aren't all available at our party, just the nail trimming is, but of course you'll have information there that in
yes,
case you want to get any of those other services taken care of, right?
Correct.
How long have you been doing it?
We've been going for about 5 years now.
Okay. And just here in Omaha, or do you?
So we're based out of Omaha, but we travel all over Nebraska and Iowa, about an hour one way.
Gotcha, cool. And we're at one of your clients' homes here, right?
Yes,
and
long-time clients.
And my other photographer, Luke, is getting some footage there. We have 4 basset hounds, and what's the other one?
A healer.
A healer, and then 2 guinea pigs. So they're all getting their nails trimmed. It's a spa day for all of them. And so Luke's shooting some of that for you. Anything else you want to mention or about yourself or what you do? And
we just love animals, and we take pride in providing services in the customer's home, coming to where the pets feel safest.
Okay.
And just avoiding like a trip to the vet or a car ride.
Good, and hopefully not sedating the dogs if you don't.
Yeah,
if you can help it, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Well, they all seem to be. Well, the guinea pigs are doing okay. We'll see if the dog's going to do okay. You think?
Oh yeah, they'll do good.
Okay. So I'll put links to the information for the event in the comments or in the description, video description, and we hope to see everybody out there on July 12th.
Thank you.
Thank you.